Jury selection has started in the trial against this Des Moines man seen at the front of the mob chasing a U.S. Capitol police officer January 6, 2021. Doug Jensen faces several charges.
KCCI has been covering this case since January of 2021. KCCI's James Stratton is covering this trial in Washington, D.C. He's live in the nation's capital tonight with what happened during the first day of this trial.
And Steve and Stacy, before that jury selection even got started, we heard from Doug Jensen for the very first time. He asked Judge Kelly for new counsel, saying his current counsel was not adequate and that they had disagreements, saying that he'd only seen 3 videos of his discovery, 2 videos of Jensen inside the Capitol, and that 4-hour-long interview that he voluntarily gave at the Des Moines Police Department. Judge Kelly then took everyone out of the courtroom, including us, the media, and the public, and spoke to Jensen directly. After coming back, he denied that motion that Jensen requested a new trial. Judge Kelly then started with the jury selection process, asking 21 questions to the jurors, dozens of them, including if they've seen video from January 6th. Those who said yes were asked then if they recalled seeing this video of Officer Eugene Goodman running up the steps inside the Capitol and others running as well. Of course, Jensen at the front of that group. Jensen and others were part of it. Some had seen that video, some hadn't. Some recognized Officer Eugene Goodman by name as well. Judge Kelly also acknowledged during jury selection that it went slower today than he originally thought it would, but did tell jurors that he expects the case to take a week still, which is what was originally planned. Jensen himself in court today wearing khakis and a button-up shirt alongside his defense attorney, Christopher Davis. 28 potential jurors were interviewed so far today or throughout the day today. Those who didn't get excused for cause or have yet to be interviewed will be back here at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Again, Judge Kelly expects the jury selection process to end sometime tomorrow. Then the trial will get on with it after that, starting with opening statements from both the defense and the prosecution. Again, still expecting this case here in the federal courtroom in D.C. to last a week.